Are you tired of wasting your time and money on headlight products that simply don't work? Well, this is the last headlight product that you will ever need. This is the ceramic headlight restoration kit by CERAKOTE, and what sets this product apart other than its effectiveness is its longevity and how easy it is to apply. Not only will a single application last the entire time that you own your car, but the people you eventually sell your car to probably won't have to worry about foggy headlights either. See, there are a couple things that make this product different than many of the other products on the market. For starters, everything you need is included in the kit. Now, I know what you're thinking, that's an awful bold statement when clearly a polisher does not fit. Well, that's because you don't need it. All you need is 2 pairs of gloves, our oxidation removing wipes, our included sanding pommel with our 2-step sanding disc, and of course our ceramic coating restoration wipes. And when it comes down to the actual coating itself, believe it or not, there is more technology put into this kit than any of our other clear polymer ceramics that we currently make. Just to manufacture it in-house, which keeps your costs down and quality up. Let's start this thing off with a pro tip. After your vehicle is washed and the headlights are clean, the first thing I like to do is mask off the headlights. You can even pop the hood if that makes it easier for you on your vehicle. While this is not a requirement, what it does do is it protects your paint from the sanding process. You want to go all the way around the headlight while making sure that the tape is only stuck to the paint and not the headlight itself. And now step 1 is actually the second most satisfying part of the whole process. You'll want to grab the first pair of gloves and one of the oxidation removal wipes and start rubbing down the headlight in a circular motion. It is wild how effective these wipes are at removing the yellow oxidation that is ingrained in the headlight surface. And that's entirely due to the chemistry behind the wipe. See, typically one of the reasons why the other products on the market require a polishing pad on a drill is to fully remove the oxidation with brute force. Well, we wanted to keep it as simple as possible for you, so instead our team of chemists designed this solution that actually cleaves and dissolves the oxidation on contact, making the sanding process much easier and less time consuming. Now, depending on the amount of oxidation your headlight has, you might not see any more visible oxidation left after using the first wipe or pair of included gloves, and get ready for the most satisfying step of this whole process. Start making straight uniform passes across the headlight surface and just watch how the surface instantly becomes crystal clear. We found that a 50% overlap is perfect between passes, and while I'm applying, I like to take the slowest smooth and smoothest fast approach. This ensures that you get good even coverage at a steady pace with minimal chance of accidentally getting it on the paint. And if you do get some on the paint, don't worry, just keep a rag handy to wipe it off as you go. Now with these wipes, wetter is definitely not better, so just one thin uniform coat is all you need. And if you do miss a spot, it's very important that you touch it up right away as you're still applying, because once it starts to set up, there is no adding, removing, or fixing the product without sanding it down and trying again. Once you're all done applying, the next step is to let it dry. Now it has a 1-hour cure time, so while it's curing, you'll want to keep it out of the rain, fog, and away from any sprinklers, and definitely don't take it out for a drive until it's fully cured. After that hour is up though, you are not going to believe